if you have a bad brush like this, I mean brushes that has paint on them and the paints are dried up, don't dispose them. I have an hack for you that could probably help you wash the brush properly and still maintain the bristle. That is, you have it as fine as new. All of the brushes I have in this water have this same challenges too. And what caused this was actually because I rented these brushes out to a client for a sip and paint party. But before we go into that, I would like to introduce to you what I'll be using to wash these brushes. Then we'll go into the process of how to wash them properly. So I'll be using a xylene. The xylene is inside this. Xylene is a chemical. I bought it from a paint chemical shop. So all you just need is a xylene and water to wash the brushes. So let's take some let's take some xylene. So this is the brush. After the xylene, you just dip your brushes and either soak them or wash them in the xylene. So, but for better effect, let's just try to soak them for a while. And one of the reasons why I had my brushes this way was not actually my brushes. I rented these brushes from someone too for a zip and paint. I have lots of the brushes. I've watched some other ones, and they are the ones that I've washed already. So for you to know how many brushes I'm about to get exhausted. So this is the story about what actually happened. I lent this out for a zip and paint party, and getting there, I could not go back there to collect all the tools, the easel, the brushes, and all. So on getting there, I on getting there the next day to receive all of the rented tools, I realized that the client did not wash the brush. I was feeling so down because I don't know what to tell the owner of the brush. They owe 34 pieces of brushes. So, and that's going to be a cost on my hand. I have to buy those brushes back if I cannot get a solution to it. So maybe you are in this kind of challenge too, whereby you had so much of your brushes messed up and maybe probably you forgot to wash them and you are looking for a solution. This is one of the best solutions to it. I've seen some people use alcohol too, but I've not tested that. So this is what I've tested and has worked perfectly for me. You can see that the xylene is removing the paint neatly and everything is pretty fine. The bristles are going to be as good as new, just like these brushes. The bristles are still very good. They are not stiff yet. The bristles are not stiff yet, so they are still very, very good and neat. So all you just have to do is to wash. And also while washing, there's something you have to consider because I had a challenge with this as I had to rewash them. After washing, try to check the inner part of your brush. If you look at this brush now, it has paint inside. So if you discover some brushes that have paint inside, you have to rewash them for the second. And while rewashing, check if that paint has actually got off because this is the best way to keep your brushes safe. So after washing, keep the brushes in the water to make the bristles soft and good to use. So this is the process I'll be using for all the brushes till I'm done washing. Removes the paint. So the paint that got stuck on these brushes is acrylic paint. I've not tested this for any other kind of paint, but it works perfectly well for the acrylic, perfectly well. No paint on the brush and the bristles are still very much fine. So, would you like to try this too with your bad brushes? Let me know in the comment section. Have you tried any other process that works for you? Kindly let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a share if it was helpful to you and like. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video. Bye.